Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be my daytime skincare routine. More than a skincare routine, you can call it as skin prep before makeup, because every day as soon as I get up, I do all these steps without missing. So the products I'm going to show you in this video are really effective, and I don't have any makeup on my face because it's a skincare video obviously, and I don't want to wear makeup and then remove it in front of you guys. But excuse me about this lips, because I was trying a lipstick today morning and I am unable to remove it completely. It has stained my lips, so just ignore this part. And I am going to film a video on this lipstick, so enough blabbering and moving out of context. Before getting into the video guys, if you're someone new to my channel and if you're looking at this face for the first time, do hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. I will be posting at least one video per week, so don't miss it guys. And if you want to see more than one video of mine, then you have to head on to my Instagram page, because I upload entirely new content on my IGTV and it is more of entertainment related stuff. So if you're interested, go check it out and follow me on my Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Before I show you all the products I'm going to use, I have to tell about my skin type. I have a combination to oily skin. I have an oily T-zone, and I get dry sometimes on my upper lips and on my forehead first of all, and the other part of my skin is normal. So I just wanted you guys to know that. And if you see today, I don't have any makeup, as you can clearly see. And if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I have an acne prone skin, and you can see the marks. Still there are some marks left from my acne, and I still get acne. It's normal guys. Don't really exaggerate things and go mad about it, because even I had a really bad acne days. So that's an entirely new topic. I don't want to talk about that and elongate this video. So let's get into the first step I follow. Face wash, and I use the Kaya acne free purifying cleanser. I've seen this cleanser on my recent haul video, and you guys this is already over. I have a very little product over here, left over here. This has salicylic acid and it's for oily to combination skin. This face wash is really nice, and it has a clear gel like texture, and it doesn't irritate my skin or react to my skin. The thing is, I don't like the smell of this product because it smells like something very different. I don't know how to explain that. It doesn't smell that good and I hate that. I'm using this consistently, and I think it has controlled the oil secretion on my face to some extent. That's it guys. And also I feel my skin a bit drying. Obviously this is anti-acne, so it tries to control your oil secretion on your face. So I feel that it has a slight bit of dryness, I feel, but that will be combated when you're following the further steps. Once I'm done with the cleansing, the next step I do is toning, and you guys know this product already. It's the Himalaya Herbals refreshing and clarifying toner. It's my holy grail product, and you guys know if you are following me for so long now, and it's for all skin types and alcohol free. This is not for sensitive skin guys, but because it might sting a bit if you have a sensitive skin. So if you're a sensitive skin person, don't use this. Try something gentle. This one is highly affordable, and you can get a lot of discounts on Nykaa for this product. This product really clarifies your pores, and it also, you know, tightens your skin and make your pores look less visible. So I love this product, and I really like to use it in different ways. So currently I'm just taking this toner into a cotton pad. As you can see, I'm going to tap the cotton pad all over my face until my skin, you know, takes the product from it. Take care of your neck, and whatever you apply to your face, do drag it to your neck too. That's that. Once I have toned, you can see my face, it looks really tight, and no, I feel my skin is tight, but you can't see. So always drag your skincare products from face to your neck, because you shouldn't really ignore your neck. And you know why, guys? Because it shouldn't look really different. So I've been doing that for so long that I've been ignoring my neck. I don't ignore it during makeup, but for skincare I completely ignore. I just concentrate till here, and that is why you can still see some difference on my skin, on my neck area. And, recently I've been dragging all my skincare products till my neck, and I can see some really good changes on my skin over here. So that's that. After toning, I will straight away move into my serum. I generally don't use serum on my daytime routine. I include that onto my nighttime skincare routine, but this particular product, I really liked it, and it really worked wonders for my skin. If you see, I had a lot of acne marks before, and you can see it has, you know, started fading, and also it did even out my skin tone. As you can see, I do not have any you know, pigmentation. That is nothing but the Natural Vibes Vitamin C Skincare Serum. It's an Ayurvedic serum of vitamin C, and it reduces the signs of aging and lightens the skin tone. Lightening skin tone doesn't mean that it will, you know, change your skin color. It is not that. So many people have this misconception that whenever there is whitening, lightening, you know, codes in a product, it is promoting that thing. So what they are trying to say is it evens out your skin tone. Suppose if you have hyperpigmentation, it tries and lightens it down on regular use. As you can see, all these products are really loved by me, and the toner, you can see it's barely there, only this much is left, maybe for 2 use, and I have to reorder, you know, all these stuffs. Maybe not the face wash, because I love trying new face washes. So this serum is almost over. Maybe this comes for a week for me. I just take a pump of it. It is like orange juice, and initially I really didn't like this serum because in my mind serum is something semi-liquid, but this one is literally like an orange juice. You can see it's like water with some orange color. So I didn't really like it initially. So vitamin C is well known for, you know, reducing your hyperpigmentation and give that brightness boost to your skin. This has really, you know, made a lot of difference on my skin. This is like a toner again. It tightens your skin as well, and it, you know, gets absorbed immediately. As you can see, it is not leaving any kind of, you know, film on your face or a layer. It just gets absorbed by your skin, and I really love that, because you don't have to, you know, really wait for a long time to put the, you know, to apply your moisturizer or something, whereas in a semi-liquid kind of serums you have to sit for a minute until your serum settles into your skin, whereas this one is like zoop, your skin really drinks it. And I really love that part. So I mostly concentrate this product on my, you know, acne spots, especially on my cheek area, and then take it to my forehead. The remaining product I will apply onto my neck. So that's that. You get this product on offers from Nykaa. All the products I'm going to show in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box out. Once done with the serum, I'm going to go and moisturize my face. Use a lot of moisturizers, but finally I go to this particular brand, that is Olay. This video of course is not sponsored. Olay is a brand our family, the entire family uses, especially my father and mom. They use Olay products a lot, and I got to try a lot of Olay products before, and my favorite products are two. The first one is the Olay moisturizing cream. So this is the cream I was talking about. I really love this. I have almost emptied 10 to 15 jars of this, because I'm not exaggerating guys, because the entire family use it and I've been using it for long. This is actually a 100-gram pack. This is a larger one. So just imagine how much we consume this product. Let's get into the topic. Again, we are deviating. I'm presently using Olay White Radiance Brightening Intensive Lotion. This has SPF 24. This lotion is really lightweight guys. This one, even if you sweat, this will not give you that oily look. So that's the best thing about this moisturizer. This one is really on a pricey side, you can say, when it comes to moisturizer. This retails for rupees 999. It's almost 1000. This do not irritate my skin, and I love the texture. And this, again, you don't have to wait for the product to dry down, settle down, because again your skin really drinks it up. Your skin drinking up product will never happen until the product is something lightweight and your skin is ready to accept that. So this is one such product. So it has a pump, and it is a kind of lock technology, because if you rotate this pump, it will get unlocked and you get this cream. You can still see my face has literally absorbed everything I applied, and you can see a very slight glow onto my face. It's not fake. I'm sitting in front of the window and I don't have artificial lights over here, and I'm really happy about it because it's glowing already. So the final step is very important one, and that is nothing but sunscreen. If you want to protect your skin from sun damage, aging, and etc, a lot of skin problems come because of harmful rays from the sun. If you want to protect your skin from all of this, you have to use a sunscreen before stepping out of your house. So the one I recommend you all is this one. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. It is a broad spectrum UVA, UVB, PA++, and it's ultra light, clean feel, water resistant product. If someone comes up to me and asks which sunscreen I recommend them, I simply tell Neutrogena. That's just because I have been using this product for so long, and I did not face any skin issues because of this. I do go out, I do travel and walk a lot outside, and guys, you can't see any tan on my skin. That's because of this. And also it is water resistant, which is a very good thing. Even if you sweat, try not to drag your towel or tissue across your skin. Just dab and let the tissue or the towel absorb your sweat. Do it that way so that you don't spoil your makeup or remove all these products off. This is the consistency. It is a white cream. I take at least this much amount and then apply it onto my face. The sunscreen lotion do not give you that heavy white cast which most of the sunscreens in the market gives you, and that's a plus point, guys. I do not like sunscreen that give you that heavy white cast. You look like a ghost once you sweat, whereas this sunscreen doesn't do that. As you can see, my skin still looks like skin Yeah, you can see a very slight bit of white cast, which will be negligible once you apply a BB cream or a foundation. So all these products are available to you via online, or you can go and buy them on, or you can go and buy them from stores, except I think the serum is only available online. I'm not sure about that. I haven't seen Natural Vibes brand on any stores, whereas you can find Neutrogena, Olay and Kaya, and also the other one Himalayas from the stores very easily. If you're buying from online, you can get a lot of discounts. So that's it guys, and this is my real-time skincare routine. It's not very fancy and it's not very time consuming. As you can see, all the products get absorbed easily, and you can just go all 5 steps done in just 5 to 8 minutes. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and also if you haven't hit that subscribe button till now, do hit that subscribe button and support me. If you have any video requests, please do comment below in the comment section. And also I would like to know your skincare routine. What are your holy grail products? Do comment that down below. I can try them out. So see you on my next video guys. Until then, take care. Bye.